G'day guys, welcome to Kap Industries. My name is Russell and this is the video installation guide for a Kap Industries fire extinguisher mount designed specifically for the Jeep Cherokee WK2. This one here, beautiful SRT. Let's go install it, show you how we do it. The tools required to install the bracket are just some simple hand tools, starting off with a 15mm socket and ratchet. You do need a T20 Torx bit though. The T20 Torx bit is just so that you can remove this little bolt here on both these little plastic seat covers, one there and one down here. You'll also need just a couple of 8mm spanners. Those ones are going to be used for the M5 nuts and bolts that the bracket comes with. And in the video today we're going to be installing this fire extinguisher. This one here, it's a metal caged fire extinguisher and it has two straps. Anytime you're installing a fire extinguisher onto the bracket, just make sure you're getting one with a metal cage. The metal cage clamps around the extinguisher or the bottle, holds it in secure onto the bracket. So let's go install it. First thing I'm going to do is just remove those little bolts that I was talking about with the T20 Torx bit on a screwdriver. Just put them aside. Next thing, you're just going to remove these circle clips here. Get with your fingernails or a little trim tool remover and just pop them off. There you go. There you go. Pop them off. That gives you access to the two front seat bolts. Then with the 15mm socket, remove them completely. After you've removed your two front seat bolts, then we need to install the fire extinguisher cage onto the bracket. As you can see, the bracket comes with these M5 nuts and bolts. And then just use your 8mm spanners to tighten them up. At this stage, after you've then bolted your cage on, what you need to do is just with your fingers, you just lift these covers up a little bit so that the bracket can go in underneath them, like that, on both sides. They line up with the two holes. So you just line up, put your bolt back in, and always do them up initially by hand first, because seat bolts can be cross-threaded and you don't want to do that. Always just do them by hand first and then tighten them up with your tool. As you can see, the little plastic does need a very slight trim with a Dremel. All you need to do is just take about 10mm of this plastic out, or after you've tightened the bolts up, put the covers back on and leave it like that. It's up to you entirely if you want to do the trim, but some people do it and some people don't worry about it. Let's finish tightening up the bolts. Then put the covers back on. And you can do the trim later. And then those little bolts will go back in with the T20 Torx bit. Last step is just to install the extinguisher into the cage. And clip it up. Job done. And as you can see, you do have full seat movement still with this bracket in place, so it doesn't interfere with the movement of the chair. Well, thank you so much for watching our little video. As you can see, it's all bolted in. Now he has a safe and secure fire extinguisher. It's easy to install, easy to remove if you ever sell the vehicle. And just noting that you do need a little trim of that plastic just to make it sit down flat. But this is what it looks like if you don't do the trim. It's not too obvious that it even needs it, but some people might want to do it. But why would you really want to have a fire extinguisher in your car? Well, having a fire extinguisher is so good just for those in case of emergency situations. No one ever wants to have a fire extinguisher in use. But look how easy it is to grab. 2 fingers, pull it out by the head, and you've got it in your hand within 2 seconds. While it is a small fire extinguisher, it's able to put out small fires quite quickly because it's in your hand so fast. You can pop the bonnet or reach under the vehicle wherever the fire is and spray it really quickly. That's why having it at arm's reach is so advantageous. So if you'd like to grab one of these fire extinguishers, please check out the link below and have a look at all the other different vehicle brackets we make as well. Have a nice day and we'll see you soon.